birthday, my girl. You're born in the first month. Your life are gonna be prosperous, you hear me? Big up your good, clean, proper, and decent self. Big up yourself, girl.
Yeah, big up, thank you.
A man want go out there go look more than one woman when he knows say his earnings for the week can't maintain not even himself plus a woman. He hardly a got you and he still want go out there go look at next woman. If he's saying wise.
Highway.
People think say man smart for have more than one man. Enough for them one way, of course. No. Right, true.
But you know say only by time and time then go pick up more than what they can manage. Because problem.
Well, they want problem.
And them want problem.
Now put a basket where you can't reach it.
Boy, no, I'm not facing wise because guess what? When me broke and hungry and money me say me not see woman. You see me? Because they might look when me I look the same way.
And when they don't have it, they still look where they go give. Me broke and you broke. It's all not going up broke. And it's not sweet.
And I want to dedicate this piece to all you players and all you ladies out there. Name of this piece is called My Bitch Better Have My Money.
Is it?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, but it don't make no sense. You're broke. And I just throw out yourself out there. You're going to end up finding yourself in a carnage, you see me?
If you say a man smart when time he go out there and want 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 100 girl. When he knows say economically he can't maintain, he can't even maintain his own self. Much less we go maintain 5, 6, 7, 8, 10 women. What you think? You feel say that man is smart?
No, he would smart. Because if a man have more than one woman, he have to maintain them. Anything where you go take up, you have to maintain it. You get me? I say, because woman them have needs, you know. And we all know that, that's how you go.
You feel say one man can service 10 women.
I want to kind of sticky. Who don't know the answer, sir? I tell you the truth.
You don't feel say go drop shot somewhere.
Yeah, of course, your body have to run down at some point, boy. So I don't know.
So all across the board is not a smart approach.
No, it's not a smart move.
You want to shout out the business and how people can find you?
Yeah, man. Chinil Mall Plaza, Shop 29, Ambience Barber Shop. Yes, right there.
Instagram.
See it up as a man. Faster.
Shut your mouth with a little bit of money. If you're broke, sick, you can go and sit on one side. You wear do more than one woman.
Browning foot up on the dashboard. And now just when she got the crack load.
Oh my God! Put it on the finger. See the guys have finger. Follow me on Instagram, guys. At Toddler's Classic. Omega Bread Queen.
Nah, you motherfucker!
5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 100 girl. And he can't maintain financially. He think don't have waste the week as he go one strike in out and he want have a bag of girl. You see me I say?
Yeah.
Yeah, you feel say them man the wise?
No, sorry, no wise. Because first thing, you finna have money. Woman love money, you know. I'm not even know. And them a woman that they want money every day. So you feel work to give them money, so you can't have a bag of woman.
Hold on, the money alone woman for a man.
Man, love too.
Eh.
You see me, a good care. You see it? You know, man, want the people them check out my page on YouTube. Chalky Boss, my name.
Chalky Boss?
Yeah, man, Chalky Boss, man.
On Instagram?
On YouTube. Want the people them check me out. I have some new song come out.
Oh, Zane?
Yeah.
Spell Chalky Boss?
CHARKIE.
BOSS?
Yeah.
The body is a one-piece Kevlar composite. The wheels are solid billet aluminum, and she's powered by twin J. There's a grain lever to the left of the steering wheel in the cockpit, which engages the primary thruster, igniting the J. $745, that's a record! They're gonna break the sound barrier!
You feel say wise for a man know say if he have a bag of woman and he must spend a bag of money and he always have to search for the money to give the bag of woman them what have. You feel say him is just a big old idiot or him just love the lifestyle.
No, so they don't have no sense.
Why?
Because you can't take on what you can't manage. And you run your body hot, you don't have no use at the end. So it makes sense to take it slow and make it last longer.
So I'm to the money part.
Yeah, okay, here's $40. That's double what it's worth. Okay, come on, Nick, let's go.
The money will come if you have the strength and the health. But if you run your body hot, you can't do nothing at all.
So funny have the amount of money when you can maintain more than one woman. In
no,
good.
I'm not in the more than the one woman business.
They say just one and done.
Yes, man. One and done and live good life. You can't love a lifestyle where you can't maintain and you go to your way and you go look the money if you keep up the woman them. You're foolish. Use your money wisely. And who they come around you're supposed to can help you to grow your money same way. You understand? So you and them grow.
That sound like a show, you know.
Yeah, man, that's how it go. So he said,
you want to shout out your business and where you locate?
Shop 201 Harbour Street Craft Market, the real craft market, you know? Your family come from foreign one little souvenir if you care back. We have it here for you.
That little send the answer itself. Yeah? Like what the hell? You have a what? A bag of woman when you know you can't maintain a bag of woman. Why the hell? Yeah, that don't make no sense. He's a fucking idiot. As you push, you're broke.
Well, if the good Lord don't like the way I conduct business, let him say something. Let him give me a sign. Oh, Lord, I'm here, and I'm listening. Hello?
It doesn't make
sense. Because if you say him, if that the question the next thing, say me by now, him say the man can't. Lord Jesus, my man call me.
Hey, you better
that no be any hello, baby.
You feel say the man them want to have 5, 10, 15, 20, 100 girl. One bag of woman. And financially they can't even mind themselves and they want to mind 10 or 15 woman. And as they start up a little engine in their bed, they pop down.
My view is that's not a poor man. Them not the rich people who can maintain their body and maintain their standard. Because the poor man right now, they have 5, 10, 15 girl, and when they come on to feed them personal woman, they can't stand up for the personal woman. So guess what? My view is I'm not feed them topic that day.
They want to have a bag of woman and then can't maintain a bag of woman financially.
Absolutely not. They're not smart because I think like in dating and especially like if you come across the right one that's there for you through thick and thin, then you just need one girl extending yourself. It's a lot of energy. You waste your money and nothing really comes out of it, but just a feeling, a temporary feeling. I think that's dumb. So my Instagram page is Tamjelic and you can follow me. I do inspirational posts and health tips and all of that. Thank you.
I think they're smart.
No, the man is smart. They can never be smart. They can never be smart because at the end of the day they make a fool of themselves.
So y'all ain't gonna help me up?
Come on, man. Come on.
My back's stuck on the back part. Thank you.
Alright, so those of you who know me will know me from my channel Talking Family that promotes the importance, the role and the responsibility of the family in our society. I do not think a man should, whether or not he can afford it financially. So if you wanted them fool, well yeah, I guess you could say that because it's only a fool keep doing the same thing over and over and getting the same results. So yeah, I guess you could say that. But yeah. And since I'm here, please check out my channel, Talking Family, on YouTube. And you can follow me on Instagram, Talking Family, and on Facebook, Talking Family. In the realest way. No trouble, none there.
It is not legal to drive like this.
Like what?
Lower the vehicle now.
Let me see.
Put that down.
They can't even maintain themselves properly. Much more if you go maintain 5, 10 and 15 women. And you know as a little cho-cho train there. You know a little cho-cho train? As it start up, it pop down. You feel say the man them wise for take an approach in their life?
No, me not think it is right for them to do it. I feel say man must keep one woman. Because when you have one woman, you save more. And the woman, when you have one woman, make sure she work. So you give 50 and she give 50. You can't have one woman where you alone are give her everything. And you have some woman where you don't want to give nothing. Look here, me tell her right now. You see some of we ladies, and the reason we talk to some man are just because of the little pengelenge where they have under them. Where we like and they make we feel nice with it.
Do I look high?
License and registration.
Officer, I know that...
License and registration, please.
Some of them don't make no sense, you know, they have this bag of woman and they don't make no sense with the bag of woman. So better they have one woman. Yeah, one woman and that's it. I'm from Jenny's Glamorous Hair Creation in Western Plaza, Montego Bay Shop 25 for your braids, your natural hair, your rasta hair, everything. You can link me at 827-8391.
You deserve to get 50 new customers. I'm not telling no lie, lady.
Please, just leave me alone.
Bitch, I said you coming with me.
They can hardly maintain themselves, but they want to have a bag of woman. Plus, you know a little cho-cho train they had in them pants.
Yeah.
As it start up, it pop down. If you say them on the wise.
Honestly?
Yeah.
Them man there, when them have them woman with down for them from day one, they put up with them little issues and I put up with the amount of money when I carry on my night time. She a deal with that kind of sacrifice for herself.
Sure,
You
no.
go repair she in having one bag of woman on the road, they degrade she because what? Look on what she has settled for. Other woman on the road go sit and know all of the struggles that she has put up with. The man not the money. He can't do nothing with her in her bed. So the woman him go look on her and say it's a waste man she do it. So him only a degrade for himself and I look like Eden.
Chano, well I know, I not say a man not please a woman in a bed, but we are look on the fact say if him have 10 women while him a service, eventually he go pop down. You see me? So is that a wise approach?
It's not. It's honestly not. If you know you can't supply one woman, if you can't benefit a woman with year 95, what you get from year 95, or you go supply all of the women there road, or you plan for that. That don't make no sense. Build with the one woman and stay with the one woman. Get it?
You let go! Let go, baby!
Tell that bitch to be cool. Say bitch, be cool.
Be cool, honey.
Say bitch, be cool.
Be cool.
Tell that fucking bitch to chill.
My hoe better have my money.
I'm telling you, that boy's a genius. Tell it.
Not half, not some, but all my cash. Because if she don't, I'm gonna put my foot dead in her ass.
So I want big old fool boy.
No sense.
No sense. You want to shout out a business and where people can find on Instagram and your business location?
Yeah, so my name is Ree. My business page is Glam by Ree. I do makeup. I'm located at shop 10 Union Square Plaza on Union Street, so you can come by. I do bridal, birthdays, any type of makeup you want, you can just stop by. My business page is _Glam by Ree.
_Glam by Ree?
Yes, that is.
Your presentation alone shows you have class and standard to your thing.
Stop it.
In the realest way. Big up your good clean self, yeah?
Yeah, man.
Subscribe to Justin Blake channel.
Click the notification bell if you want to receive a notification each time a new video is published.